Zomite Dammo, David Walter Tax Service Panin Hopih, US Kamsunga Teng Theih Kum Simin Polo Toto Ahih, Tax File Tung Tahi.
Hih Tax na to kisai, Walter Tax Service Pan in Zomite Hih, tuni legiat kuma David in Tax File to kisai na kipan khia hihi, tuni ciang Zomite toto lahi.
David a khangno lai kum tung sung zapan gama manglai le mangpau hilh in na ngei. To bek tham lo in Zomite to zong zopna ta ahih manin Zomite zia le tong hong te ma hi. Aman Zomite po pi sunga so ma khat ipyak na te amu na tung tonin Zomite thupi ong sama ma a zong kipyak khiat nom na lung sim nei hong sa le kipek zo hong sama ma hi.
Walter Tax Service Panin Company na same te, business owner ay na same nei te, let 1099 to na same te, bek tham loin boy na atom to ma nei te, ong hu te ong pan pi te ding hi ong, to bek tham lo Oklahoma sunga Zomi hem pel, in vai to kisai in lei na in zong na te no I long pon le no I kisap bangin, ong hu te ding hi ong samun chi za ong genam ing tong dang.
Hello, my name's David Walter, and I've been serving the Zomi community in Oklahoma since 2008, and it is an honor for me to serve the Zomi community. I really admire the Zomi people. They show that the American dream is still alive. They come to America and they work hard, put their kids in school, and now I see their children becoming attorneys and accountants and doctors, and it makes me feel very proud. I lived in Japan for 3 years, so I understand what it's like to be an immigrant, to come to a new country and have to trust people with lots of money on complicated financial problems. And I appreciate the trust that the Zomi community has placed in me and my company, Walter Tax Service. It's an honor to serve you. Thank you.